Welcome to one of the most tense courtroom moments you'll see today. This is the case of Amanda Lawson versus the state of Texas. A story of second chances, broken promises, and a final ruling that could change her life forever. Amanda was given probation for unauthorized vehicle use. But now, after alleged violations and missed probation check-ins, she faces the real possibility of state jail time. Will the judge see her as someone who turned her life around, or someone who ran from the law? Stay tuned, because things are about to get intense.
2019 CR 8173, State of Texas versus Amanda Lawson. Can I have parties announced for the record? For the state,
Jason Jerry, Your Honor.
defense,
Ray Lopez, Your Honor.
and are you Amanda Lawson?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Amanda Nicole Lawson who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2019 CR 8173 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on November 14th, 2019 for a period of 4 years and extended for a total of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state,
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 5 in Burke County, Texas. The defendant Amanda Nicole Lawson, who did in there failed to report the supervision officer as directed for the month of October 2022.
how do you plead to that? True or not true?
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated condition.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Stand that, but I'm in hopes that you'll hear me out.
No, my question is, did you understand that? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5? I'm sorry,
Yes, ma'am.
court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense,
Look, I requesting that she be placed back on probation, and my client would like to testify to give her reasons to report.
all right, if you can raise your right hand, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Amanda Lawson.
All right, and what would you like to say?
Miss Boyd, because you gave me a second chance 2 years ago, I went to Grace House and I changed my life. I've been sober for 2 years. I was released from Grace House because I had a surgery and I had to go home and take care of my family. I've been doing nothing but going to work and going home. I was scared. I understand that being on the run for 2 years is bad, but I was scared that I was about to lose everything that I just worked really hard for. Because of you, I changed my life, and I'm just hoping that you believe in me one more time.
All right, this is your second motion to revoke. And what I do know is that each time when persons appear before me, I ask them if there's anything that the court can do. Do they need anything so they can be successful? And I know that I tell people, if there's an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court.
Here's where the stakes skyrocket. Amanda pleads with the court, painting a picture of redemption, sobriety, family, steady work. But notice what just happened. She admits to being on the run for 2 whole years. That's not a small oversight. It's a massive violation. Legally speaking, the judge has every right to impose the maximum 2-year sentence. Yet Amanda's emotional plea, her family, her sobriety, her fears, introduces a huge moral dilemma. Should personal transformation outweigh legal obligations? What do you think? Does her story deserve mercy? Or is the law no matter what? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
So you've been here before. You were placed on probation in 2019. And then you came back in 2021 and you pled true to a violation of condition number 1, which is a new offense. And then the court altered and amended your conditions and continued you. And then now we're here and nobody has seen you since 2022.
I'm scared. I was at home. I was taking care of my family.
Why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
I was scared. I can't have no excuse for that, Miss Boyd.
Okay.
I was scared to lose everything I've just worked so hard for. My grandma is 75 and my grandpa is 95, and I have my kids back in my life. I have a relationship with them now. I've been sober since Grace House. I haven't worked so hard for something. It would be it would just destroy me to lose it again and start over.
All right, so these are choices you made.
Yes, I understand that.
You made the
fully.
choice not to report.
I understand that. I'm just hoping you'll believe in me one last time.
All right. Any questions?
She said all.
Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the court is going to grant the motion. The court is finding you guilty. Does anyone want to speak with regards to punishment? State?
Yes, Your Honor, the state's requesting 16 months state jail.
Yeah, we're requesting the minimum. That's 166 days in. We also have some credit for the time she served and.
All right. So what I can tell you, Ms. Lawson, the state is requesting 16 months.
Okay.
I had internalized everything you said. And actually, what the court was going to do was sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility. But the state is requesting 16 months. So I'm going to sentence you to 16 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes,
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you were given chances. And
I was,
in this court, I don't know how other courts do it, but in this court, it is better to ask for permission than forgiveness. All you had to do was pick up the phone and call your probation officer and say, this is what's going on in my life. And if they did not address it, you know what you could have done? You could have come back to this court, come back to me, and I would have figured out what was going on. But for you to behave as though you were not on probation, that's a problem. You understand?
yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck.
And there you have it. Despite Amanda's emotional testimony, the court revoked probation and handed down a 16-month state jail sentence, a compromise between the 2-year maximum and the defense's request for leniency. The judge made it crystal clear. Probation is a privilege, not a free pass, and communication with the court is non-negotiable. This case serves as a stark reminder that second chances come with strings attached, and ignoring them can cost everything. If you found this case as gripping as we did, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama and expert legal breakdowns.